Hey there and welcome. In this video tutorial, I'll show you just how easy it is to pivot and unpivot data using Power Query. We'll walk through everything step by step. So feel free to follow along and try it out yourself. I am ARK and my goal is to help beginners get comfortable with tools like Power Query, making data not just easier but more fun to work with. I upload new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the update on. Let's jump right in. Pivot and unpivot are two essential techniques in Power Query used to reshape data. Basically, pivot converts row into columns and making data more compact and easier to analyze. Unpivot does the opposite. It transforms columns into rows, which is useful for normalizing data. First up, let's talk about pivoting. This is where messy data turns into clear, easy to read, summarize. Our dataset includes three columns here: region, product, and dispersed quantity. Okay, first up, let's talk about pivoting. This is where messy data turns into clear, easy to read summaries. So what I'll do, click on data for getting data source. So click on get data from file, choose the origin from Excel workbook. Here I'll choose the pivot task. Click on that. So that Excel sheet contains one sheet 1. So click on sheet 1. This is the preview of our data set. Click on transform data. Yeah, data has come up. Look, in your data set, here three columns. First one region, second one product, and third one dispersed quantity. This product column, I will use pivot for converting row into columns. So what I'll do, select product, click on transform tab in the ribbon, then click on pivot column feature. So now value columns comes up and need to select dispersed quantity and click on advanced option. Here it's already suggested sum what I want. For other queries or for other calculation, we can choose here count all, is minimum, maximum, median, average, sum, even don't aggregate option. But I will choose sum because of aggregation under product item. So click on OK. Look here again. This is the product and product column contains Ruby scan. And this first quantity I have chosen for summarization. Okay, as value column. So click on OK. Amazing, it's done. Look here, region, Ruby, scan. So before product columns contains Ruby and scan items in the row. Now Ruby and scan converted or displayed as column, means different column. And dispersed quantity comes up after summarization under Ruby and scan. So click on home, close and load. So look, data instantly organized, totals calculated. It's like magic, but real. Now let's talk about reverse scenario, unpivoting. It takes your columns and back into rows. Click on data, then select get data. From file, I'll choose Excel sheet or Excel workbook for my data source. Here I'll choose sales report Excel sheet. Data sheet contains our data sheet. So click on transform data. Yeah, respective data has come up. Looks here, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 contains data identifier, means plant, region, product type, and product. The remaining columns, means column 5 up to column 16, contains unique month column. Here, column 5 contains January 2024 month. Sequentially, column 6, February 2024, and column 16 up to December 2024. So every month contains value and showing as unique column. What's my objective here? These months will come up after unpivoting in one column, and its respective value, means revenue, will come up under another column. So what I'll do now, first I will select first row as header. So click on home tab, then click on first row as header. Done. It is promoted here. Now I will select control, then click on region, product type, product, and these 4 columns, means identifier columns, already I've selected. Then click on transform tab, select on this unpivot columns. Please here look, there is a 3 way to unpivot. Unpivot other columns, basically I will choose here, because I will select 4 identifiers and others are sales trend based on month. And unpivot only selected columns. When I will select this on, I need to select month columns only. Then click on that. Functionality is the same, but way different. I will select unpivot other columns, as I told you that already selected unpivot other columns. So click on that. Look here. Under attribute columns, all months are counted here as rows, and respective value, I mean revenue, come under value. In previous step, if I go select in applied steps, change type, this is the previous one step. Look here, January, February, every month has separate column. But after unpivoting, all months comes up as row under attribute value, and respective revenue figures come up under value columns. Now I will change attribute column name as month, and value is revenue. Click on. Now click on home, close and load. So that has come up in separate sheet. Isn't super handy? If we want to add another month, what I'll do, just go to the data source, means origin Excel sheet, and place month name as column and revenue under that month, and click on here, refresh. Automatically that month will come up here under month column and respective value under revenue column. And that's it. See how quick and easy it is to pivot and unpivot data in Power Query. So next time your data looks messy or confusing, so don't stress. Just open Power Query and let it do the work. If this video helped you out, give it a like, or drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me through email if you have any questions or just want to say hi. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. So far.